Each year in the United States, 1,200 tornadoes kill on average 60 people and injure nearly 2,000. And although technology has become more sophisticated, it is still difficult to predict and detect tornadoes, resulting in a relatively short notice. Thus, it is ever so important to be properly aware of the dangers of a tornado and the precautions you can take in order to maintain a comforting safety level. Tornado Alley is a nickname given to the area in the southern plains of central United States that consistently experiences a high frequency of tornadoes each year. If you look at the map, you can see Nebraska, which is directly in the middle of Tornado Alley. Seeing this, we can look to the USA Today, which states that on average, Nebraska has one of the top 5 highest percent of tornadoes, which in its state's borders each year. Since 1953, all 93 Nebraska counties have experienced a tornado. On June 16th of 2014, which is being shown here, the town of Pilger, Nebraska experienced an EF3 and an EF4 tornado that went directly through the center of town. The implications of this tornado are great. The tornado itself killed 2 individuals and left dozens injured. The damage from the tornado is expected to reach into the hundreds of millions of dollars. Douglas County itself has reported over 11 tornadoes since 1956, the biggest one being an EF3 on August 18th of 1968. Within the United States, the high time for tornado season is generally within the months of June and July. However, the Omaha World Herald suggests that within Nebraska, the high time for a tornado is in June, the second highest month for tornado activity being in May. To be properly prepared for a tornado, you must understand the definitions of a tornado watch and a tornado warning. A watch means that there are favorable conditions for the development of a tornado, whereas a tornado warning indicates that there has been a tornado spotted or indicated on radar. In 1987, the Nebraska Unicameral passed a piece of legislation which required every school to create an action plan for a tornado. In general, schools will have their students go down to the basement or the lower levels of the building and near a very sturdy wall in order to be protected in case the ceiling were to collapse. National Weather Service suggests that each family have a safety kit or an emergency tornado kit in their household, which consists of basic items such as a first aid kit, water, a supply of food, a radio, and a flashlight. State of Nebraska, the community is indicated of a pending tornado through the use of sirens throughout the state. The sirens indicate a tornado warning or a severe thunderstorm warning. In the event of a tornado warning, families are encouraged to go to the lower level of their homes into a room that is away from windows and objects that could fall onto them. The National Weather Service reminds everyone that if you take proper precautions, you will be safe when a tornado strikes. On average, the deaths and injuries that occur from a tornado are because of people who don't take the proper precautions.